Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Antimi Bluetooth FM radio MP3 player. It's a portable wireless speaker. Okay, now let's get into it here. Read the seal here. Alright, get that out of here, don't need that. Alright, you guys can see. Here's what it looks like, and it tells you the features it has here: double horn, 360 stereo, long play live, loud volume, TFT, UDIS playback, auxiliary line in, and a radio function. It tells you right there on the front. Now, open this up. This out here first. Let's see what else we have in here. Alright, and underneath, alright, we have our cable here. This is like micro SD. There's a line in cable right here. It's all attached, it looks like, in the USB. And it has some other stuff here. I don't know, I think this is German. Alright. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Let's see. Alright, let's start off on the back of it. Let me flip it over. That's where your micro SD card goes, right here. And you have your headphones, USB, and your auxiliary right here. Now I'll turn it over to the top. It does have an LED display here, and it has all these numbers here. Your seeking function here: forward, backwards, pause, play, power button, different modes, menu. This is the front of it. Nice and see you. Let me get a view here. Right there. This one, the whole face is like the front of the whole speaker. Then Antimi right here in the corner. Alright, let's see. It has little rubber feet on the bottom here, so it does grip good on your table. Let's see if it has any power. We turn it on here. Oh, it says high, so it does have some power.
Mode. Carry.
It's in Bluetooth mode right now, but it does have power.
Turner mode.
FM radio mode. It does pick up FM. I have some YouTube friendly noise that I can play. If I play anything else, YouTube will get angry, so let me put the micro SD card in. I think I've put it in the right direction here, or maybe not. Turn it around. Ah, here we go. Alright.
Music mode.
It automatically changes. It's very loud. Very, very loud. It automatically changed when I put the micro SD card in, so it did that automatically. I didn't have to do anything. It changed the mode by itself, but it is really loud, and so far I haven't been able to turn down the volume, so we'll keep trying. Alright. pretty loud, guys. So I didn't think it was gonna be that good, but this thing is pretty nice. I still don't know what any of these do. Well, all these numbers, keypads. I guess it's for tracks, I'm guessing. Yeah, it's for different tracks, so you can just press the number of the track and it'll go straight to that track. So that's what that's for. So that's what that is. I don't know exactly where this is from. The language looked like it was German, but I don't know exactly where this company is. I'd have to do some research, but it is a very good speaker. I was not expecting that, so guys, this is very nice. But I don't know where the company is. I'd have to research that, but very good speaker, guys. If you guys want a speaker that does everything, you know, it does. That's the, you know, micro SD slot, has USB, has the radio on it. It's very loud. I think this is pretty good bang for your money here. So I would recommend this, guys. If you're looking for a speaker, this thing is really good. So thank you for watching my video and Antimi Bluetooth FM radio speaker, and I hope it was helpful, and come back again. Thank you. Bye bye.